Welcome back, everyone. In today's English lesson, we're going to learn 10 natural and useful ways to say goodbye in English.
Yes, we'll also show you when to use each one, just like native speakers do. Ready? Let's go.
Let's start with the most common ways to say goodbye in English. Goodbye. This is the most traditional way to say farewell. It's polite and formal, and you can use it with anyone, like your teacher, your boss, or someone you don't know very well. Bye. It's just a shorter way to say goodbye, and people use it all the time in everyday situations.
See you later.
We say this when we expect to meet the person again soon, maybe later today or tomorrow. It's friendly and informal.
Take care.
We often say take care when we're saying goodbye to someone we won't see for a while. It shows you care about the other person's well-being. It's a kind and thoughtful way to say goodbye. So, how do people actually use these expressions? Let's find out.
Goodbye, everybody.
Goodbye, everyone.
Okay, bye, Uncle Monty.
Bye for now.
See you later, Mom and Dad.
See you later then.
Take care, dear Alice.
Take care, son.
Here are some more informal goodbyes that native speakers use all the time. See ya. This is a fun and casual way to say see you. It's short, cheerful, and great for saying goodbye to friends or classmates. Catch you later. This is an informal way to say see you later. It sounds very relaxed and friendly, and people often use it with friends or coworkers. It means you'll see the person again soon, even if you're not sure exactly when. I'm out. This is a very informal and casual way to say goodbye. It means I'm leaving now or I'm heading out. It's not usually used in formal settings like school or work meetings. Let's see how people use these in real life.
Okay. I'll see ya.
See ya. See ya.
Catch you later, buddy.
Catch you later, Mom.
I'm out.
Do you want to sound a bit more polite or professional? Try these expressions. Have a nice day. It's a warm and polite way to say goodbye. Great for people you work with, help, or just want to be respectful toward. It was nice seeing you. Use this after you've just met or spent time with someone. It's a friendly and appreciative way to end a conversation. Farewell. This one is very formal and not something we use often in everyday speech. It sounds a bit poetic or dramatic, so you'll usually hear it in books, movies, or emotional farewells. Now, let's see how some of these goodbyes sound in real conversations.
Well, have a nice day, gentlemen.
Have a nice day.
It was nice seeing you again.
It was really nice seeing you.
Farewell, my friend.
Farewell, my friend.
Let's review what we learned today. Use goodbye when you want to be polite and formal, and bye when you're in a more casual, everyday situation. Say, see you later, or see ya, when you'll see someone again soon.
Say take care when you won't see someone for a while. It shows you care. For a fun, casual goodbye, try catch you later or I'm out with friends. And when you want to be professional, go with have a nice day, it was nice seeing you, or even farewell for special moments.
Try using different goodbyes depending on who you're talking to and whether you want to sound formal or casual.
Keep trying out new expressions, and remember, you don't always have to say the same goodbye every time.
Thanks for joining us today. We'll see you again soon.
Or, as the cool kids say, I'm out.